Welcome back to Topper Study Circle. You're listening to the third episode of our English learning podcast. I'm Rahul.
And I'm Priya. We are so glad you are here. Today's topic is something every English learner struggles with, translating in the mind. We'll help you break that habit and start thinking directly in English.
Let's be honest. Translating from Hindi to English in your head slows you down, right? You pause, you struggle to find the right words, and your confidence drops.
Exactly. And that's because your brain is doing double work. First it thinks in Hindi, then translates to English. That's not fluent speaking, that's delayed speaking.
Fluent speakers think directly in English. It's faster, more natural, and more confident. So, the real question is, how do we train our mind to think in English?
And don't worry, we've got 5 practical tips for you today. Ready? Let's begin.
Name things around you in English. When you see a kursi, say chair in your mind. Jab darwaza dekho, say door. Repeat it daily, you'll start building direct connections in your brain.
Talk to yourself. Seriously. Say, I am brushing my teeth now. Or, I'm cooking lunch. These small sentences train your brain to switch to English more naturally.
Use your phone in English. Change your phone language. Read your WhatsApp messages and type replies in simple English. It forces daily exposure.
Watch English content, but no subtitles. Your brain will try to understand without relying on Hindi. That's when real learning begins.
Practice with a partner or mirror. Choose one topic every day. Maybe my daily routine or how I spend Sunday. Speak it out. Mistakes? Ignore them. Just flow.
Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Even 10 minutes daily can rewire your brain to think in English.
Make an English zone at home. Set a rule. 30 minutes every day. Only English. No matter what. सब family members या दोस्त इस rule में आ सकते हैं.
Tip number 6. Describe your day. रात में सोने से पहले अपने पूरे दिन का वर्णन इंग्लिश में करो. Like, I woke up at 7. I had poha for breakfast.
Label things in your house. Write mirror, door, fridge, bucket on paper and stick them. Every time you see, you'll think in English.
Think in small sentences. Don't think in big grammar-filled lines. Start with, I am hungry. He is my friend. Short. Clear. Easy to process.
Use English for internal thoughts. जब आप मूड में हो या किसी से नाराज हो, माइंड में इंग्लिश सोचो. Why did he say that to me? I didn't like this.
Listen and repeat. Watch short English videos without subtitles, pause after one sentence, and repeat. Copy their style, tone, and flow.
Practice thinking about random topics. Think in English, what if I become rich? Or what's my favorite food? Imagine stories in English.
Keep a thinking in English journal. Write 3 sentences every day in English, but don't write first in Hindi. Train your thoughts.
Avoid word-by-word translation. Don't say, मुझे भूख लग रही है is equal to me hunger is feeling. No. Instead, I'm feeling hungry. Learn natural phrases.
Play vocabulary mind games. When you are free, randomly think, what are 5 fruits in English? How many emotions can I name in English?
Use AI tools or English speaking apps. Use apps like Cake, Elsa Speak, or even voice chat with bots. Daily practice will change your language instincts.
Amazing, right? These small tips, if done daily, will help you stop translating and start thinking directly in English.
Don't forget, learning a language is not about knowing more, it's about using more. So start today. If you love this podcast, like, comment, share, and subscribe to Topper Study Circle. This is just the beginning. See you in the next episode.